Good morning, everyone. Jacob Folger, artist sculptor here, and I wanted to do some kind of update for you. It's been so long since I've really uploaded any kind of tutorial, except for that little eye drawing thing I did. Um, so this is kind of an update. Like I have had surgery for my hip replacement, and I have been also very immobile for a long time. I think because of the pandemic or whatever. Haven't really been getting out and doing a lot and moving my body around, so sculpting has become difficult. That's really the reason why I haven't uploaded. It's kind of, it makes you feel bad if you get my drift. I have been doing a lot of art though. I've been doing painting, digital art. Man, I am very prolific and still very active. I have a Facebook page, Jacob Folger Photography. Got over 8,000 followers there. I post every day my art. You should check it out if you want to check out what I'm doing. I do want to start doing tutorials again, but I gotta tell you, it's gonna have to be different than what it's been. It can't be sculpture all the time. I'm gonna be doing some painting tutorials. I don't know, maybe digital art tutorials. Um, really the thing about this channel is it really is an art tutorial channel. I have done a lot of sculpture tutorials, but I want to be doing like varied things. It's very difficult to be an artist and not diversify. Is that even a word? You know what I'm saying? But get out and do other stuff. I get bored. I got to take a break. So that sort of thing. I need to move around, and I'm I guess they say multimedia artist. I worked in a lot of mediums: sculpture, clay, digital art, photography, painting, drawing. I worked in a lot of different mediums like clay, stone, glass, wire. I mean, just I try all kinds of things all the time. My home and art studio is full of stuff for that. So, anyways, that's what's going on. I'm feeling good, healthy wise. I'm really, active art wise. I'm not active physically that much, but I do need to get out and exercise. I'm terrible at that, I have to say. But it would help a lot so that I could sit up at the desk and sculpt in front of the camera, or my cell phone is what I use. So, anyways, also, I think you probably noticed that I've been uploading shorts. Yes, I want to try it. I've done, I think, a few. I'm not sure how many at this point. 10, maybe? The thing is, it doesn't look like they're doing really well. And I think the reason why is I kind of hyped them. I made them like advertisements for the channel to, help with that and actually boost that, because I'm not really doing tutorials right now that much, and I want to keep the channel going. I mean, it's my legacy. God, I've been on here for a long time, and it has a lot of my art. It's helped a lot of people. I don't want it to just drift away. So, so I've been doing the shorts. The thing is, I did notice that the viewership went way up, and it's so what I did was yesterday I posted a finger painting a tree short, and it actually got like 700 views right away. But I think it was hyped. It's doing kind of advertising the channel. So I re-edited it and just took all that stuff off. All the kind of hype on there, and posted it again. And it's been up for 41 minutes, and it's got 3.1K views so far. I don't know how many likes it has. Let's see, 89 likes. So I think it's going a lot better, and I think I think that's going to go well and be good for the channel. I want to definitely start making tutorials. I just kind of slow going about it and not sure how I'm gonna. I want to do painting tutorials, but I don't know how these people get the camera, to, I mean, I kind of have to paint it so the camera's off off to the side, and, you're seeing a side view, and then I turn the paintings every once in a while so you can see it. I don't know how they photograph this stuff, really, to be honest with you, these people that are making these tutorials. The sculpture is one thing, is you do it right here in front of you, and then you've got the camera right there, or the cell phone on a mount, and it's really not that difficult to do, but painting's a little bit different because it's not like that. Anyways, so I hope this kind of gives you an idea of what's going on in my head, and I'm just trying to keep the channel going, and it's going well, actually. Oh yeah, I was gonna say let me just look at I just want to tell you, just from this video, the finger painting video, I got 11 subscribers already from that. So that's what I mean. And the viewership, 3.1K, it's bringing up the viewership of the channel. It helps you grow, If you're posting interesting content and people are watching it and they're interested in it, YouTube is gonna put you out there. So that's and it's fun. Also, it's fun making it. So, anyways, that's it. Appreciate you guys sticking around. I hope you will continue to stick around, learn some new stuff, and expand and see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.